Myself Oliver Mahato. Today we will learn how to increase the text size and the icon size in our Windows 10 PC. So first of all we have to go to the Windows menu and start menu, and after go to the settings. Okay, after clicking the settings we have to go to the edge of access options. Clicking this, it will redirect it to the display settings. In display settings we have two options. One is the make text size bigger option and is the make everything bigger. In make everything bigger options we can increase everything from apps, text and main display up to 125%. Okay, so clicking this, everything will be bigger is to 1, also bigger, and the tiles also bigger and the text also bigger. Okay, so we return to the recommended size so that everything, and here the another options that the make text size bigger. After sliding this size we can increase only the text size, not the task menu size or the tile size, only increase the text size. Okay, I increase up to 143 and then apply, and now everything text will be the 145% increased. Here only text will be increased. In this case the tiles and the taskbar icons are not increased, only the text increased. Okay, so we go to the previously settings, that is 100%. Okay, then apply. Another options we also have, that is the shortcut option, that is the right click option. In Windows desktop, right click, and here we can find the display settings. Here we can change the overall settings up to 500%. Okay, here in these shortcut options we can increase the 125, and another the advanced scaling settings we can increase up to our desired percentage from 100 to 500. By these two methods we can increase our text size and font size, and as well as the tiles and icons in our desktop. Okay, thank you. Until next time, Anwar Mahato signing off.